Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Uprenda Uthandiwe Wakwazuma, and I am back with another vlog. If this is your first time over here, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you will enjoy it here, and if you do enjoy it, consider clicking that subscribe button and becoming a member of the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, a #1 supporter, thank you for joining me again. I appreciate your continuous support. As you guys might be able to tell by the title of this video, this is a weekly vlog. I'm going to be taking you with me this week as I go about my daily business. Today is a Monday and I am headed out, so sorry for starting this vlog in the car, but I definitely wanted to make sure that you guys are in the know in terms of what to expect for this week. It is going to be quite a busy week. Amongst other things, I'm going to be seeing my tailor today. I'm headed out to Canal Walk right now because I would like to open some bank accounts for the kiddos, and then thereafter we'll drive back, my daughter and I, and we'll probably stop by for some breakfast or brunch, and then I'll be taking her to do her hair. I don't think I will have sufficient time to do my own hair today, but I'll definitely try and fit it in on another day. So I hope you guys will enjoy the vlog today. I have been MIA for a little while, but the girl is back. If you like my shade game, shout out to Busi Sunglass Booth. I will link her profile, her Instagram profile, in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me. Come along.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I have the saddest phone inside. It's not the saddest phone. Look at it, look at it. It's the saddest phone. One thing about Wimpy, they will give you the saddest phone. Like, it's the saddest phone in his hands, okay? It's like you must order a cremachino to oh, and it's a spinning phone. Now I'm judging this. So guys, my daughter and I are having a mother and daughter date, escape. We are at Wimpy. What time is it? I don't know. I'd say it's 11:30, so we are still on breakfast. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. From here, I will head on out to get my dress tailored, and then we'll dash on out to Parkland to get the little lady's hair done. Productive day, I'd say.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
Cool. Thanks for that. Yeah, yesterday was a really brilliant performance. I think it was a great
You
way
always
to
posting
start
up pictures, trying to
starting
look like you
bright
winning.
and
I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Hey fam, can we just discuss for 10 marks why it is that Superbalist always sends multiple boxes for literally a handful of products or items? Because like literally shaking this one, it feels empty. But anywho, let's just unbox a couple of beauty essentials, or well, not essentials, but yeah, these are items I picked up on their beauty sale. Very cost effective, and when I bought them I convinced myself that I need them, so we'll go with that. I need them. Like I kid you not guys, one massive box for one, look at that guys, one lip gloss. One lip gloss. So guys, I picked up this jumbo balm, no, it's juicy balm from Essence. It's the clear lip gloss. I really am kind of liking this glossy lip trend that's going on. I am somebody who really enjoys matte lipsticks, but recently I have found that they dry up quite quickly, and I'm going to try and see if I will be able to enjoy my matte lipsticks with this lip gloss. So I'll let you know how that goes, but yeah, that's basically the only reason I bought that, and it was quite cheap. I think it was like 23 or 25 rand, nothing more than that. And in here is two items. So I bought myself this Beyonce Heat Rush. It's a favorite of mine. I have used this in the past, and I just really enjoy the fruity scent that it gives you. I'm probably not going to be wearing this on special occasions, just a fresh scent when I really want to smell cute. This was also on sale when I picked it up. Really love Beyonce Heat Rush. It is a parallel import, so I will definitely know if it does not smell like the original, because the original I absolutely loved. Also have, ooh, I bought myself a pair of shades. Guys, me and shades like have a good thing going on. These were also on sale. I absolutely dig them. Let's see how they look on me. Ooh, child. Yes, honey. I can see myself wearing these out. These are absolutely stunning. I am somebody who enjoys the bigger frame, so this one slaps. Yes, honey. Also on sale, guys. I don't know the real exact price right now, but I will tell you these were really cheap items. Didn't buy any clothing this month because I am keeping to my commitment to save some coins. So there were definitely no purchases for clothes. I don't need any clothes after my last purchase, to be fair. But I will probably start looking at updating my winter wardrobe, particularly for the kids. I think it's more urgent for the kids because both of them have actually grown quite a bit since last year, so it's a necessity that I update their winter wear so that they don't walk around looking like homeless people wearing short stuff. There's another box which, like, I don't understand the packing, but that's probably because these items sometimes come from different warehouses, so they don't really consolidate them into a single box when they arrive at the destination warehouse. This is something else I picked up from their beauty sale. This is a lip liner, and it is in the shade Famous. I am not sure how I feel because I literally was going for something a little bit more brown, but this one is giving me reddish vibes, so that's a bit of a disappointment, but I can make it work. And then I picked up this 8-hour matte lipstick. I've seen quite a few reviews on YouTube, and people are really loving this range. So this is more a nudish brown. It is the shade Duck Face, and then I picked two of them up actually. This is the other one that I picked up. This is a deep red shade. It is number 8, I Dare You. I saw Khomotso. She is a YouTuber and she was wearing this lipstick and I absolutely fell in love. I have a thing for reds. I just feel like reds are so glamorous and so sophisticated, and they work with absolutely all different skin tones. This is just a long-lasting eye pencil in black. I love eye pencils, so that's absolutely something I'm going to enjoy. And then I picked up this top coat gel for my nails. I haven't been doing my nails since the lockdown, and I'm really not hating on the natural look, but I do obviously want to make sure that they look a lot cuter than they currently are. I mean, they just like plain Jane, so maybe I will add a little bit of color. I got myself this nude Essence Clean and Strong nail polish, which I will probably try out and then use the top coat and see what's in the final box. Like, guys, I'm sure you'll agree with me, there is absolutely no justification for 4 different boxes for these small items that I've just unboxed. But anywho, it is not my prerogative. If they don't want to save the planet, honey, one thing about me, I will not be bothered about people's wastes. And what do you know, literally one item in this entire box. Like, I am the most confused girl in the whole of Mzansi. But yes, I bought myself these hoops from Aldo. Absolutely love. I was eyeing these about 2 months ago, and when I eventually decided to buy them, they were sold out. So imagine my excitement when I was on the site and these were back on sale. I immediately put them in my cart and I wasted no time in checking out, honey. I think I'm gonna enjoy these. These are absolutely fantastic. I think I'm gonna wear these over the weekend or something. I do have some content that I'm going to be shooting over the weekend. Really excited about the series that I'm starting, and I think my first guest is absolutely worth it for me. I think I wouldn't have chosen anybody but her, so we'll check that out. We plan to record that on Friday. So yeah, that's absolutely it that I bought, guys. These entire things were probably under 600 bucks from Superbalist, so it does pay to hunt for bargains and shop on sale. Don't ever say I don't plug you. Okay, guys, the time is 2:15 right now. I am headed out to go and pick up my daughter from school. She comes out at 20 past, so I am cutting it a little bit fine in terms of timing, but luckily it does take me all of 5 to 10 minutes to get to Panorama. Life under the lockdown. I am literally school running, Ubering my kids around. I don't know. If this doesn't make me super mommy, I don't know what will, honey. Come with me. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Why are you running into the road? Darling child, why are you running into the road?
I'm not running into it.
Did you see that car?
No.
You freaked me out there. How was school?
Fine.
Can we take off the mask? We're in the car now. Say hi to the vlog. Why are we miserable?
I'm not miserable.
Looking so pretty. Say hi vlog.
Hello.
How are you? Why were you walking? Like I've never gotten you there.
Because I was waiting on the side.
Did you see me?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Sharp. Say bye.
Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. It is today Thursday at about 2:10. I am just about to step out to fetch my daughter from school. I haven't picked up a camera since Tuesday and I feel so bad because I had literally promised myself that I would vlog throughout this week. But yeah, life happened, and if I'm being brutally honest with you, yesterday was just really about work. I had quite a lot of work to get through, so I spent the entire day working, and as such there wasn't much that I really wanted to capture. Today, however, after I've knocked off at around 4, I will probably be heading out to go and tame this mane. Shame my poor hair hasn't received some attention, and I want to get that done. So there's not much today again, but I did want to pop on here and say what's good, everybody. I hope you guys are safe, and I wanted to pop a reminder, even though this will be late, obviously, I hope you guys topped yourselves up with some wines, because our good old Uncle Cyril switched us off until next week. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to sort myself out, get myself looking cute, and I will catch up with you guys later when I show you the makeover. Have a good one, guys.
I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Good morning, family. It is officially Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Finally, it is Easter Friday, so Good Friday. I am out running a couple of errands before I have to go to church for Easter service. Excuse my voice, guys. I do have a bit of a husk and a deeper voice in the mornings, but I just wanted to pop on here and tell you that I hope you guys will have had an awesome Easter by the time you see this. Hope you guys will be safe and that you will be responsible out there on these streets. COVID is real, still pretty much real. As for me, I'm pretty excited about today, guys. First and foremost, look at a girl's hair. I didn't get an opportunity to show you yesterday because I finished quite late in the evening and the lighting was kind of dodgy, and I just really didn't feel like it because it did hurt quite a bit as well. But this is the final result, guys. Do you love my hair? I love it. I love it. I love it. I feel like it's cut off soma 2 to 3 years of a girl's face. Who is complaining about that, honey? Anywho, today I am going to be recording a video featuring my daughter. So excited about that. I probably will drop that video before this vlog, or the other way around, whichever one happens first. But yeah, I am starting a woman series titled I Am Woman, and it's going to feature all the different roles I play, one being a mother, and then obviously a friend, a sister, a colleague, and a boss. I'm so excited. So you guys better keep your eyes on this channel. If you are not already subscribed, honey, please do so, and click on that notification button so you do not miss an opportunity to watch the series of videos that I'm going to be recording. So super excited about that. Anywho, guys, before I ramble, I will check you guys later. Have a peaceful, beautiful Easter.
I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be.
Hey guys, so my daughter and I are busy setting up. We're about to shoot the sit down video that I have been going on and on about. I do hope you guys will enjoy it. I am going to cut it here so that you guys have every reason to hop on over to the video when it does go live and get to experience this mother and daughter chat. Check you guys later. Good afternoon, guys. It is Sunday today. I am only opening this vlog at this time. It's about 1:15, and I'm headed out for a day out in Steenberg. We're going to visit the Steenberg wine farms for a little bit of some wine tasting, and then we'll also have lunch there. I hope you guys have had a fantastic Resurrection Sunday. I'll catch up with you guys when we get there.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
Hey guys, I have arrived at Steenberg Wine Farm. I must say the weather is quite gloomy. It's actually drizzling at this point in time, so that is going to be an interesting experience, but I am quite excited to be here. As it is still COVID, we have to be masked up, so come along, let's enjoy the afternoon together.
Don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working.
Hey guys, currently at the V&A waterfront in Cape Town. Unfortunately, what we didn't do was reserve the restaurant at Steenberg, and it would seem that if you're going to do wine tasting there, it's a separate event and you need to kind of reserve the restaurant separately. So we are starving human beings, and we are going to try and grab some lunch at one of the restaurants here at the waterfront. So listen to everybody out there, if you're gonna visit Steenberg, make sure if you want to taste that you make a reservation for that, and then you make another reservation for the restaurants, because they were fully booked, and rightfully so. It is a public weekend, public holiday weekend, and I could actually see the people filling up that space. So yeah, I hope we'll find something out here in the waterfront. Catch up with you guys then. And why is this thing not focusing on me? Will you focus on me? There you go.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen.
Good morning, fam. It is Monday, and we are on our way to do a hike up Elephant's Eye. I'm not sure I'm ready for this, but you know what? YOLO, we are up for any challenge. Finishing off the long weekend by trying some fitness things. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Wish me luck, and I do hope that I get to the top and get to take some cute pictures in the Elephant's Eye. Do the right thing, fam. If you have not subscribed, come on, click that subscribe button. I mean, it's free. Don't be watching and not subscribing. What's up?
Live my life, hey. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation.
Guys, it is at this moment that I am regretting my life decisions. It is gloomy, it is raining, it is a mess, to be quite honest. Like, where does one press to cancel life's decisions? We have reached the silver, I don't know what it's called, but the destination is meant to be the Elephant's Eye. Yo, this weather, guys, I mean, let me just show you. Look at that. It's gloomy. It is absolutely gloomy. I don't know who goes up a mountain that looks like this, but you know what? We shall make it. Let's catch up on the mountain, guys.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so after much contemplation and going back to get something warm, we are making our way. Can't wait to get to the top, guys. Hey guys, we are just over the 1 kilometer mark. I would highly recommend. I encourage you to do this, and I think this weather is perfect. As I said in the beginning, I can't wait to get to the top. Let's go. Guys, after much walking, we've finally reached the Elephant's Eye cave. What a tough hike. Look at my hair. It is misty and I am looking crusty and gray, but I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna show you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Final stretch of jumping on rocks, but we are closer to the eye. Elephant's Eye. Listen to the echo. Look at that. Ah, yeah. Reached the destination. The destination has been reached. Splash. Come. Tell the vlog you've reached the destination.
Reached the destination.
Elephant's Eye.
Ah, yeah. Mission accomplished.
Look at this picture. It's not flying away.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel.
Okay guys, this is where I end today's vlog. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for watching. And if you are not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, engage down below, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next one.